cut off. Oh, hi, how you doing? Bag-a-douche, bag-a-douche, bag-a-douche. Cut off. Double cut off. Oh, cookies. I got cookies. Shut up. I used to have a cookie. Is that an exit dive? That's an exit dive. Saves so much time, too. That's next time. Red. Hey, that was red. All right. Look at all those red light runners. Could see if it was. No, yeah, you're in the red. Straight from the turn lane. We're in the red. Thank you. Hello, 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 hello. Cut off. Wait a minute. What the hell did you just do? That was red. That was red. Dang, it's out of the road. You had a red, Mr. Biker Triker. I'm sure that helps visibility a lot. Red light runner. Red light runner. That was a red light runner. I don't know if you can hear me over the muffler of the goddamn motorcycle. Hop, 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 hop. What is the point? What is the point of stop signs? I don't know. Oh boy, here we go. Sit down. Nice clown pants. I'd just like to say that I made it across 101 from 93 to 95. And for the first time ever, incident-free. I just jinxed myself with the rest of the day, but I'll take it. Up, ran the red, minivan. A little fast, you douche nozzle. I think that was next dive. Yeah, don't cut him off. Don't cut him off. Show you a turd. You're gonna be a pain in the ass when you pull out. You know that, don't you? Is it legal to park that way? Somebody answer that. Piece of pizza. Right. Okay. Do you really need 2 spaces for that little car, you fuckhead? Volks maggot. Look at that shit. Yeah, Christ. So, I'm out of the store now. Look how this asshat parked in the same friggin' space. I mean, like, really? Volkswagen a Toyotard. If I can't have Thank you. Next time. Shut off the I-beams in the middle of the fucking day, Cameroid. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, that was a cutoff. That was a pass-fail. Now, dive left. Dive left. Yeah. Why does this thing keep shutting off? Hello? Hello? No, that wasn't cool. See if that'll save without shutting off. Oh, for fudge's sake. Go ahead, run it. Like that.